Is that a Nissan? You like it?
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. As you guys probably will be able to tell, this was shot way after the actual video was made. Like always, everything was done in a rush. Chris told me it was free. We went to go work on the E90 M3. My E90 M3 had a 27 CE error code. At least that's what I pulled when I got the check engine light. Went on the forums, looked up the code, went on Facebook, double checked it with people, and the low fuel pressure sensor seems to be the culprit. Decided we were gonna change it. Do all the research before you just buy the part, because sometimes it's very basic, and yes, the part is exactly as described and that's what you need to change, and sometimes it's going to get you close to the part that you need to change, and you don't want to go chasing a bunch of expensive parts to change and then to find out you did the wrong one, because that could be an expensive error. Enjoy the video, guys. It's going to be a little rushed, but you guys will get the idea. But it's very important because this seems to be a common problem for the E9X community. Thanks again for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and just follow along. There's going to be more content. I'm doing a whole bunch of things. This channel isn't just going to be, you know, DIYs. There's going to be DIYs. There's a project car. There's going to be reviews. There's going to be all my buddies' cars that I'm going to do little reviews. Not even reviews, just to show you guys what we're rolling with here in Chicago. Just so you guys know that we're not sleeping and hibernating, you know. Just because it's winter, we're just adding mods to the car. When it's spring, summer, fall, we're out. Some of us are out all season, but that's just a different story. Let's remove the intake, and now we are getting to the low fuel pressure sensor, which Chris is already removing. This is the shitty one, the one that is damaged for some odd reason. This is a new one, looks fresh, perfect. We're putting it on. We put that towel there because it does have a little pressurized fuel in there, so we did have to open the gas tank prior to relieve the pressure. Push this part back in very hard, so it is kind of a tricky push, but once you get a good grip, you just push down on it, it clicks right into place. Nothing too crazy, you don't want to mess up the rubber gaskets. So you have to make this connect again, seat it properly, get these two bolts, and then the tray comes off, so that's how we're putting it back on. Use a BMC filter. I really like these filters. They make the car sound a little louder. I think it performs better. It'd probably be placebo, but it sounds better, so that's all I really bought it for. I didn't really pick it for the 5 horsepower, 2 horsepower gain. And since you have everything out, you might as well clean everything. So we just washed it up, dried it up really well, because you don't want water going in the engine. So we thoroughly cleaned it up, and now we're putting everything back. Alright guys, so everything is back together, buttoned up, sensors right there, intake's looking good. And now I'm pulling up the program. This is through Alpine, but you could use regular OBD2, but what I'm basically going to do is clear the code, and I'm going to clear the adaptation so the car can start fresh. Well guys, if you can't tell already, the sensor is on. I cleared the codes. Probably a little too early to be cheering or being excited, but the car does feel a lot smoother. The startup was a lot different, so I'm thinking this did make the fix. But with the E90, I like to always err on the cautious side. You already know what I did was I drove it around. I turned off the car, turned it back on, drove it around, turned off the car, turned it back on, and now I'm officially at the point where I don't see any check engines. The car doesn't sound funny. It's time to give it the beans. So traction control's off. Shift setting is almost at the highest one. I don't really need the highest one, I guess, but I guess I could put it on. But let's see what this rip feels like. It felt like the pull was amazing though. Holy crap! Oh my God! better. She's back. Damn, that was awesome. This car is awesome, man. Oh my god. I don't care if that 80's faster. This car is just, it's a freaking show. It's amazing. It's an experience. If you get a chance to get this car, especially at the prices it's going for now, just get it. It's worth it. Oh my god. Except the gas mileage. Hot garbage. But you don't buy this car for gas mileage. You get it for the miles per gallon. That one.